Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello ERP Solutions. In this topic, we'll be discussing about the sales order. Now, what is sales order? Now, a company has a stock in it. Now they want to sell to their customers. So in that scenario, they'll be using the sales module. In the previous topics, we are talking about a small trading company which has stock in it, like chips, and they want to sell it to their customers. Now, what they will do is that first thing, they will send the quotation to their customers. Obviously, a small convenience stores or small retail shops don't require this one, but the bigger entities like super chain supermarkets, they require these things to get comparison between the sales. So they'll request for quotations. So they'll submit the sales quotation of their items to the customers. So once the quotation has been submitted and the customer approves, then they will issue the sales order. So now the lace company or the trading company issues the sales order to their customers. Now the sales order has some delivery terms which will be agreed upon. Now after that, the customer will return back to the lace trading company that yes, I agreed with the sales order, what you have submitted to me. Now they'll up this sales order is approved, we can proceed with the delivery. Now this trading company will arrange the stock and they will make the delivery to the customer's site. Whatever the location the customer wants, it will be delivering at the site. After the delivering of the stock to the customer's site, they will do the invoicing. Now, after invoicing, the other part comes is sales return. What is sales return? If anything, the customer found out that the items are not as per his requirements, or they are expired or damaged, anything, so they want to return. So they'll make the sales return. They will return back the goods to the trading company. Now they will record, the trading company will record in the system as sales return. A sales return can be recorded during delivery note or during invoicing. Now, as entire process, this process cannot take place in small retail stores, as I was discussing. So they will have say that we don't want to do entire process from sales quotation to sales invoicing. We want to just deal with cash sales directly. So what they will do at that time, if any customer comes to their warehouse and says that I want to purchase bulk, but right now I'll pay the cash and take the stock with me. Then in that scenario, they'll use the direct cash sales. This is how the sales order work. If you could have noticed, there is one difference between sales order and purchase. Purchase is used for purchasing of goods, sales orders for selling. But we are using vendor term or supplier term in purchase order and customer terms in sales order. Let's see how sales order work in Hull. In Hull, we call the sales order as quote to cash, Q2C. From the point we quote to the customer till we receive the payment from the customer or the cash from the customer, it will be there. So the process is almost same what we have discussed in the previous one. It's the sales quotation. Then again, after acceptance of sales quotation, we'll go to sales order. After accepting the sales order, then the goods will be delivered using the delivery note. After that, invoicing will come into effect. Invoicing will be done. If there is any damage, then the customer can return at any point of time. Then if there is any cash sales, then the direct cash sales or sales receipt will come into effect. Here the enhanced features are customer advance. Like when we create sales order, we have some delivery terms. If any customer wants to return, if any of the distributing company wants to say that I will issue the sales order, but we need a payment before delivery, 50%, just to make the confirmation. Then that advance can be recorded in the customer advance. Like suppose select retail market 1 has been received along with sales order 50,000, they have been delivered to the company. So 50,000 in advance will be recorded as a customer advance for that company. Now, after invoicing, we'll receive the payment. Payments will be recorded. Whatever the payments received from that customer will be recorded. And then you can see the customer statements of account. Whatever has been sold and whatever has been collected back from the customer will be shown in this customer statement of account. Thank you.